Hey everyone, today we have the YUNZII B98 Pro to unbox and sound test. It's a 96% layout keyboard, it comes in many different colors, and the knob is a cute kitty cat. So let's get started by unboxing this guy. I think YUNZII is one of the only keyboard companies out there that can come up with so many styles of keyboards in a year, and each one has its own distinctive character as well. This one is cat themed and I chose the beige version, but I do like the blue and the black one as well. In subtle ways you'll find the cat theme designed into this, nothing too overbearing, which is good. Plus with cherry profile keycaps, typing should be a lot more natural, and if you're looking for a keyboard with a numpad, then this is another option. And something I find kinda cool is that when you turn the knob, it clicks, kinda like when you're winding up something. Opening this keyboard wasn't the easiest task, but I did manage to open it with a card and some willpower. I think it's because of how seamless the top and the bottom case align together, it's a little tough to find an opening. But I will say that this keyboard comes already sounding pretty good, so you'll most likely not mod this keyboard anyway, so this may not apply to you. But I did want to let everyone know just in case. After opening this keyboard, I was shocked to see that it comes stock as a screwless design. Being a screwless design is something that I've always loved since it makes the keyboard sound smoother when screws aren't holding layers together. You'll see in the sound test that the stock actually sounds really good, and if you're interested in this keyboard, you can get it on Amazon. I'll have a link in my description. And as per usual, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment, and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe because it does help the channel out when you do. And thanks for watching!